Hey, I'm Sandra with Two-Way Direct. Today I'm introducing the new Hytera BD612i two-way radio. This is a 4-watt digital radio. It has 48 programmable channels and it has an IP rating of 66. It has the durability of the Hytera TC-610 and it has the functionality and reliability of the Hytera BD502 series radios. This radio comes standard in yellow and is ideal for harsh environments and industries like construction, manufacturing, security teams, and more. The BD612i radio is compatible with the accessories of the Hytera BD5 series radios, so if you're looking to upgrade and get something a little more durable, it's easy and cost effective. If you're looking to add to your fleet, we do offer free programming when you purchase from us. To learn more about this radio and other Hytera radios, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.